All right, Hadi, thanks for explaining. Now, can you explain how data science can help businesses making decisions about their strategies or their tactical, and what would be a good use of data science from the standpoint of the insight that data gives the businesses?
So decision making, we can categorize in business decision making into strategic decisions and tactical decisions. So strategic decisions are usually long-term decisions in a big scale for a company, and tactical decisions are daily, maybe weekly planning to improve your operations or reduce your costs and have a better efficiency.
So now, can you give us one example of using data science and data insights for tactical decisions and strategical decisions?
Sure. The one example that we did in the BNSF Railway, where we started with a tactical planning, and that was related to inside a single facility. There are like crane operations, there are human resource operations, and there are like small truck operations. So those are like tactical planning for in a day or maybe in a week. If you want to give the example for the same company, it could be about closing down or opening a warehouse or lot. These are the decisions that gonna impact in the long term. You're gonna see the impact in maybe 5 year or 10 year from now. These are big decisions.
For example, how do like Walmart decide about where to open a new store?
Correct.
This is a tactical decision, I'm guessing.
Yes, it's this. And they use it a lot. They have lots of data science with supply chain optimization expertise to do that. In Bain & Company, one of the big retailers came to us as a client, and they were merging with another retailer. So they had their separate network, and they realized that there is an opportunity to reduce the cost through sharing the facilities and warehouses.
So this is more strategical
This is
decision.
strategic, yeah. So it was a big problem, and the network needed the merger and the new construction. So new construction and strategic planning is like we're gonna decide to merge the two facilities in Boise, Idaho, for example, because there's no need to have two separate facilities. We can have central facilities, and we realized that, for example, Company A has a facility in city, for example, Dallas, Texas. The demand in Dallas, Texas for their business is not significant. And we can capture all the distribution load with just one facility. So close down another facility. So this sort of planning it reflects like a strategic plan that is helped with data science and optimization.
A big use case for data science, I mean, in my experience, is where we use data for marketing campaigns, for advertisements. Can you give us a few examples or a little bit explaining about how to use data in marketing?
One example that we worked on, there was this problem in marketing that is called mixed media modeling. And mixed media modeling is basically about optimizing your budget and assigning your budget into different marketing campaign or marketing channels based on the information that you get from customer segmentation. So for every segmentation of customer, you create a response curve. You understand their behavior and which of the channels, for example, online channel, Facebook or Instagram, which is better. And given that you have a limited budget, you want to increase the demand across all your campaigns. So using the mixed media modeling, which is an optimization model, we were trying to help this company to improve their marketing.
Can you give us more specific examples?
We did a project with Nike. Nike has different markets around the world. They have a market and
they're known for being a marketing company instead of shoe company because their marketing is so
they are
strong.
very good. That's their key success. That they manage their budget across the marketing channel very well informed. It is data driven, and they understand the geographical patterns very well compared to other companies because they're all around the world, and they have been able to gather enough data for us data scientists that we can help them with better decisions. So, for example, Japan has a different market, so you wanna be more smart with your different channels. Europe has a different market, so basically the mixed media modeling model in Nike was very successful.